All right, Anand, I'm requesting you to please stay on with me. A team from the investigating agency has reached the office of VSR Ventures, the aircraft operator company in Delhi. Another team has also arrived in Baramati. The Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, or the AAIB, will investigate the plane crash at Baramati Airport that killed Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar and 4 others. The Director General of AAIB is reaching the accident site for investigation. The Ministry of Civil Aviation informed that the AAIB team has departed from Delhi to Pune and will proceed to Baramati to inspect the site and begin the investigation. Let me also once again go back to my colleague Anand on this. Of course, Anand, in the light of the death of the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister, high-level probes, of course, have been ordered to investigate what led to the crash exactly. Now, we're also learning that AIB has, officials rather, have departed and are set to reach Baramati to investigate this. But also under the scanner is this VSR Ventures Private Limited, which of course was one of the charter plane companies whose jet, the Learjet 45, of course, crashed and took the lives of the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister along with 4 other people.
Yeah, look, a team of AI will be reaching over here as a high-level probe has been ordered yesterday by Ministry of Civil Aviation. So clearly, several of the officials, top officials from the DGCA and AIB will be accompanying the team over here, and they will be first visiting the crash site where the Learjet that was operated by the VSR, that crash landed, in which Ajit Pawar along with 4 other passengers on board, that also included 2 of the crew members, they died in this tragic air crash. So clearly they will investigate, and as we have seen yesterday, that how the fire personals and the several teams from the district administration, they were also looking for the black box, and how the wreckage was contained, the way in which the body was taken out and the way in which the fire was doused over there. So clearly it's a very tedious task for the AIB team to ascertain that what led to such a tragic air crash, that in which Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra Ajit Dada Pawar lost his life along with 4 other, that included 2 of his PSOs. So clearly they will be coming and they will be going to the crash site, as well as if we talk about VSR that operated the Learjet over here. So clearly that will be also under probe, as the company, it has mentioned that the jet, in the private jet in question, the aircraft in question was having all the mandatory certification, and it has done test last year only. So clearly it has the certification as it has been claimed by the company. But the fact is that the AIB will be looking at all the aspects, that what led to such a disaster, because the statement that came through us as sources that clearly mentioned how the pilot has gone for a go around and then he tried to land once again at Baramati airport. So clearly what was the condition that led to such a tragic air crash over here, and how the pilot lost control on the aircraft as it was just 100 feet above the ground and then it went down. So clearly all these angles will be looked upon, that how such a malfunction was there in the aircraft, or was there a pilot error or something else. So clearly we are not drawing any conclusion, but these are the aspects that the AIB team will be looking after as they will come and visit the crash site, and they will look after the wreckage over there. They will meet with the ATC personals who had communicated with the pilots, and then they will also speak with several of the locals and district administration people, that what they found when they reached first near the crash site. Back to you, Medha.
All right, Anand, appreciate you sharing all those details with us. With that, I'm stepping into a very short break. Updates will continue on the other side. Do stay tuned.